my guy. I edited Jessie, so enjoy.
Take me by the hand, lead me.
So then my dad, who's in the Marine Corps, practically blew his flat top when I told him I was moving to New York. But he chilled when I told him I had a great job. Do you know where I could find a great job? All right. Someone needs some alone time. Wait, my wallet's gone.
Lisa Top.
I don't suppose I could pay you in lip gloss and breath mint. Your wintergreen. Rude. Haha, you missed me.
First of all, you're nothing
I'm worried
but
about
a
Emma.
trashy hoe.
She's been locked in her
Second
bedroom
of
all
all,
day.
you're
On the bright
used
side,
up
she's
dick.
been in her bedroom all day.
Third of all, you're not a boss.
No, I don't have any homework. I'm suspended. I'm going out.
Yeah, out of your mind. Please tell me you fell asleep in some grape juice.
Starting to miss the whole locked in the bedroom thing?
Is that a tattoo? Oh, come off, come off, come off.
Hey, the only thing coming off is my skin.
What am I gonna tell your parents? Oh, I got it. We'll just cut off your arm.
Good idea, because that's easier to explain than a tattoo.
Stop the cap.
To show the tattoo artist what I want.
Hold it. You are not going anywhere. Getting suspended from school also means getting
Grounded. It's kind of a twofer thing. You can't do that. Yes, I can. And just be glad I have such respect for our troops, or else you'd be on your way to military school. You want me to wear camo and get a buzz cut? That's not sensible shoes.
Wait for it. Maybe we should take everything off the walls until Emma goes off to college. Or, let's be real, marries a prince.
Attention, bad boy alert. Not only am I 15 minutes late coming home, but at lunch I put an unhealthy topping on my yogurt. Full fat granola.
You are quite the rebel.
Hide your daughters, people.
This is terrible. She is out of control.
I am a boy. Oh, she was talking about Emma. Well, my boy, today you finally become a man. Do you have any last-minute questions before you take the plunge?
Probably not from someone who shaved this morning with whipped cream and a fruitsicle stick.
You look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you, Bertram. And thank you so much for standing in for my dad.
Since you couldn't be here to give me away.
It's my honor. Although in all my fantasies of actually giving you and the kids away, like to a traveling circus, I never imagined it would be so hard to let one of you go.
Bertram, you're so sweet.
Yeah, well, I get emotional at events that involve large cakes.
Look, I'm so proud of them. They seem so grown up.
Yep. Only 2,555 more days until the last one goes off to college. Take good care of her.
On this happy, happy day. On this happy, happy day, we are here to celebrate the marriage of Jessie Prescott and Brooks Wentworth. Before we proceed, if there is anyone who objects to this union, please speak now or forever hold your peace. In that case, do you, Brooks, take this woman to love and to cherish, for better or worse, or so help me, mister, I will hunt you down in the deepest part of Africa for not treating her like the lady that she is.
I do, I promise I do.
Good. And do you, Jessie, take this man to love and to cherish from this day forward. No backsies, even if he's a bad bowler. Till death do you part?
I don't.
What?
Did she just say, I don't? I think so, but then again, I am not very good with contractions.
Brooks, I'm so sorry. I just can't.
Yes! Point, Rhoda! What? If the ice swan hasn't melted, I can get my money back.